No matter your age or wealth, it's never too early to take the proper steps to ensure the people, property, and causes that matter most are taken care of as you wish. Understanding estate planning and elder law is important for everyone, not only to get tax benefits and maintain family harmony, but also to preserve assets, protect yourself, and map out long-term care plans. Experts say there are distinct differences between an estate planning and an elder law attorney, and you can avoid many undesired scenarios by having the right estate plan, prepared by the right people, in place.
Estate planning is the legal process to put your affairs in order. Most people think about it as what happens upon death. For example, through wills or through trusts, where do your assets go when you passed? But estate planning encompasses more than that. It encompasses what happens while you're alive in case something happens to you, disability, for some reason you're not able to make your own decisions. So think of estate planning as a way to protect yourself, your autonomy, your voice, your family, and your assets.
Throughout its 3 locations in Spokane, Tri-Cities, and Seattle, Washington, ELG Estate Planning's skilled, experienced team focuses exclusively on estate planning and elder law, working to serve your needs, ensuring high-quality legal representation, and investing in protecting and empowering your future.
In my family, we experienced long-term care. Between mom and dad, it was 14 years of long-term care. And through that process, through that journey, I learned what elder law attorneys need to know, how they can help families, what resources they can bring to help families as they navigate through this very difficult journey of an aging parent's decline and passing.
ELG can help prepare your estate plan and also work with you to identify any disability, long-term care, or government benefits available to help protect your assets.
A will can have a trust in it that allows the surviving spouse to receive the assets in trust, and none of those assets will count as belonging to the surviving spouse. What that means is that the state will never count those assets as being those of the surviving spouse. The assets are there to provide for the surviving spouse, but will never interfere with Medicaid eligibility.
Having the right estate plan can make all the difference in making sure you, your loved ones, and your assets are protected, and that your voice will be heard no matter what the future brings.
I'm a person that likes things in order, and I worked in a place where there were lots of lawyers, doctors, so forth. And a guy came in one day and he started talking about long-term care insurance. And I think that kind of led to us thinking about it. Plus, we have a family business. And when you have a family business, it's a little more detailed. And so we started thinking about it. And I have to say, we had had a couple of wills drawn up before Lynn. But then one thing led to another, and pretty soon, here we are. She's so wonderful, and she knows what she's talking about, and we just feel good.
It just makes me feel good inside to know that our daughter and our son and our grandchildren and down the road it's not going to be a mess. It's all organized, and it's very easy for them to open up a book and say this is how it's going to be and make it happen.
An estate plan is all about protecting against the what-ifs. An elder law attorney is very familiar about those what-ifs, and what we do is we protect against them. Through taking action, through seeing an elder law attorney, through getting the right estate plan, they have empowered their lives. They have put themselves at ease because they know that they are protected no matter what life may bring.
No matter your asset level or state of your health, it's not too late to take the proper steps to protect you and your loved ones. Learn more today at ELG Estate Planning, empowering life goals. For more information or to schedule a consultation, visit elgestateplan.com or call 509-468-0551.